It's easy to feel overwhelmed by debt. Don't worry, you can take control. It all starts with understanding your money and making a plan. This isn't about being perfect. It's about making smart choices every day. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. First, you need to see where you stand. Write down all your debts, credit cards, loans, everything. Next to each debt, write down the interest rate. This gives you a clear picture of what you owe. Don't be scared, this is the first step to fixing it. Now, look at your income and expenses. Where is your money going each month? You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app. The important thing is to track everything. Now create a budget. This isn't about restricting yourself, it's about being in control. Decide how much you can spend on needs, like housing and food, and wants, like entertainment. A good rule is the 50/30/20 rule: 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Remember, a budget only works if you stick to it. Review it regularly and adjust as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. There are two main ways to tackle debt: the snowball and the avalanche. With the snowball, you pay off the smallest debt first, regardless of interest rates. This gives you quick wins and motivation. With the avalanche, you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, which saves you money in the long run. Choose the method that works best for you. Every little bit you pay off gets you closer to being debt-free.